Hello friends, welcome to Genius Education. Here is the topic is eukaryotic cell. यानी eukaryotic cell क्या होता है हम जानते हैं. Eukaryotic cell nothing else, it is a Greek term. Eukaryotic cell, it is a Greek term. The eukaryotic is the combination of two words, eu and karyotes. Eu and another is karyotes. Eu yani the mean is true, and karyotes which is known as nucleus. A true nucleus. Matlab you can say these are the different organisms those they have present true nucleus inside their cell is known as eukaryotic organism. And eukaryotic cell is that if there is a cell, inside the cell there is a present nucleus inside there. So that is known as. And there are the different organelles that is found inside those cells. These are membrane bounded, such as mitochondria, nucleus, the plastid vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, peroxisome, and centriole. These are the different organelles that you can find inside the shell. एंड लगभग इसको 2.1 मिलियन से 1.6 बिलियन ईयर एगो सेल को जो सबसे पहले एमर्ज किया गया था. यूकेरियोटिक सेल typically consist of that is membrane bounded organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast. Also chloroplast present in some plants and some in algae. But here is the prokaryotic cell may contain primitive organelles. Yani there are some organelles which are present in the prokaryotic cell also, in the primitive organelles. Sorry, primitive prokaryotes. So yet another point is that you can say is that eukaryotes they have unicellular, also they have some multicellulars. यानी unicellular का मतलब क्या होता है? If there is a single cell is present and the body is made by the single cell, if it is a cell and the cell which is make the body, so this is called as unicellular. The cell which is made by the single cell. And multicellular क्या होता है? If the cell is made by the more than one cell is known as multicellular. Okay, and the multicellular organism they contain the lots of tissue, organs, and all this. Animal, plants, fungi are the most familiar eukaryotes. यानी एनिमल्स जैसे प्लांट जैसे फंगाई जैसे ये सबको फेमिलियर यूकेरियोट्स कहते हैं. समटाइम कुछ यूकेरियोट्स दैट इज प्रोटिस्ट भी होते हैं. एंड दैट इज यूकेरियोट्स रिप्रोड्यूस बाय द बोथ इन मेथड दैट इज सेक्सुअल मेथड एंड एसेक्सुअल. सेक्सुअली मेथड यानी ये होता है कि जबकि दो गैमेट्स हैप्लोइड गैमेट फ्यूज होते हैं और डिप्लॉयड जाइगोट बनाते हैं. ओके इसको कहते हैं दैट इज सेक्सुअली रिप्रोडक्शन. एंड एसेक्सुअली क्या होता है जैसे कि एक मदर सेल है, सिंपल मदर सेल व्हिच इज प्रोड्यूस वन ऑफस्प्रिंग. सो दिस मेथड इज नोन एज एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. यानी इन द सेक्सुअल मेथड देयर इज सेक्स इज इन्वॉल्वड बट एसेक्सुअल मेथड देयर इज नो sex. And you can see here the beautiful image of the cell that is the plant cell. We can so also you can call that is the eukaryotic cell. There is a different organelles I told you: nucleus, cytoplasm, peroxisome, vacuoles, thylakoid membrane, and all this. You can read all this name. And here are the some important character of the shell that we can say that is about plant cell. Plant cell is the eukaryotic cell. And plant cell जो cell होता है वो rectangular shape यानी it's just like look like this. And the cell wall which is present in that outermost part of this cell. The plasma membrane just present below the I think cell wall. And vacuole, there is a vacuole inside the cell is known as which is maintain the all different functions in the cellular level and which present inside the cell. And that is another thing vacuoles I told you right now. Plastid also present there. Plastid contain green chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is a pigment which is green pigment which is help to photosynthesis. And another thing is cell are usually totipotent, and there is large vacuoles are present. That is about centrosome and lysosome are usually absent. Centrosome and lysosome are absent. There is another point. And reserve food material is that is starch. And guys, this is all about. You can read all these things. And thanks for watching this video and subscribe this channel.